Now, from my perspective, someone who appreciates the forest, do I really need to know that loud pipes save lives? Because nowadays, they got electric bikes. You need to be hooting and hollering, this, that, and the other thing, and you have like a sensor, sends like an alert to your bike. But I guess if you can't afford that, loud pipes, you're better off, making a noise, or, hey, I'm going down the road. Yeah, now everybody can hear me from 25 miles around. Seriously, I mean, it's kind of fun and all, but, listen, hear more cars and mufflers than birds. Bug the fuck out, man. Shit. Come up our fucking planet, I mean, we really shouldn't be burning fossil fuels like that, making all this noise pollution wherever we go. I mean, is that really necessary? You need fucking, really? Save that for the racetrack, Save it for the racetrack. It's not like the world we live in, right? Make it a better place for everyone.